How to install 5x1/12 wheel spacers on your BMW M4 correctly. A great way to improve the performance and appearance of your BMW M4 is by installing 5x1/12 wheel spacers. However, it is important to choose the right kind of 5x1/12 spacers and ensure that they are installed correctly to avoid any negative effects. Let's take a look at the proper installation step. Using a flux wrench, loosen the stock bolts in a diagonal sequence, but do not remove them completely. Using jacks to support each end of the car is a better safety measure. Install a wheel hanger to assist in removing the wheel hub. Use a flux wrench to remove the stock bolt. Remove the wheel of the hub and set it to the side. Look at the wheel assembly forward. You can use a brake cleaner to remove them. Remove any rust and dirt from the wheel hub with a rag. Widen the entire surface to ensure it is smooth, because all of that surface may cause the wheel spacers to not fit perfectly with the hub. Install the BONOSS lightweight class wheel spacers. Then install the wheel hanger. A key advantage of BONOSS BMW M4 wheel spacers is the lightweight class feature. The benefit of the lightweight class design are that the hollow design is further optimized based on traditional wheel spacers. It is an effective design that can reduce weight and energy consumption and improving handling, while ensuring safety and reliability. In addition, high-precision wheel spacers provide high surface integrity, effectively guarantee safety, stability, and reliability, and ensure a smooth installation experience. Install the ring and then install the extended wheel bolt. Use a plug wrench to tighten them on the wheel. Make sure they are secure. Remove the jack step. Slowly lower the car until the tires fully touch the ground, and remove the jack. Use a plug wrench to tighten the extending wheel bolt to the specific plug. Always tighten them in a diagonal sequence. This will ensure that the extended wheel bolts work. The same operation is done for remaining wheels. After installing the wheel spacers, drive slowly back and forth, ensuring the rims are turned a few times. BONOSS recommends checking the use of the wheel spacers every 6 months and tracking the vehicle's operation to ensure safe driving.